Good morning, everyone. Now I'm cooking egg vegetable patty. So egg roll. So I have the ricotta's leeks and what do you call this? Kinchay celery. I don't know. Basta yan yun. And then the egg. I have egg. Depende sa'yo kung ilan ang kukunin ang lutuin mo. Depende sa dami. And then, I have also sibuyas. Yan, meron tayong sibuyas na kasama sa ricotta's. Medyo madilim kasi naputulan. Wala nang pambayad ng kuryente. Charot. But it's true. And we have also carrot. So, dalawa lang yung carrots ko kasi nga masyado na rin masyadong madami. So, dalawa lang enough na. And then, the cabbage para maging crunchy ang ating patty or egg, vegetable roll egg. Okay. So, now, yan, ang dami kong eggs. Kasi maraming eggs ang jowa ko. Ayan, lahat na ng itlog ni Brian nandyan na. So now, we're going to prepare for the egg, ibabatil na natin sa egg. So, we're going to prepare na. Okay. Ayan na siya. Ito na. Batilin natin lahat. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Batilin na natin. Okay. Tapos, ang carrots, hiwain natin ng maliliit. Tapos, ayan na yung, maliliit. Sibuyas. Ayan na, sibuyas. Maliliit din ang chop. And then, ang legs. Maliliit din ang hiwa ng legs. Ayan siya. And then, ang cabbage. Maliliit lang din ang hiwa ng cabbage natin. Okay. And then, yan, ito naman ang ating celery. So, we're going to chop the celery small amount. Maliliit lang siya. And then, we put ginis mix. Pampalasa. So, ito, we have to add some paminta and seasoning oil. More seasoning. Mix. Let's mix. Let's mix. And we're going to add. Let's mix and we're going to get the flour. To add flour. We're going to put the flour. And mix well. Mix it so hot. And we're going to and it's ready to cook now. Ready to cook. And we have to put some face sauce. Okay. It's ready to a little bit. Because we add some what you call this? Crust. Sorry, that's why we're going to add. Para hindi siya maging matabang. And then we put seasoning. So let's put some coconut oil. Kunti lang. Ini coconut oil and a little bit lang. Hindi ba siya marami? And then we fry. Ayan siya. And then After we fry,
Ikot natin siya.
babalik, ikot natin siya.
Ikot natin siya.
Roll. Roll.
Ikot natin siya. So this is roll. Egg roll.
Delicious.
Some more. Some more. So medyo makapal siya, marami na masyado. So i-scatter natin ng bongga.
Put some. Some.
This is what we call egg roll BG.
Hindi siya.
Egg
Pwede
roll
siya gawin ng
BG.
pating. Palaman.
So ayan.
Sa tinapay.
I-roll na natin siya. I-roll na natin siya.
Ayan siya. Pwede natin siyang hindi i-roll.
Ayan.
Pero kung gusto niyo palaman sa tinapay, pwede siya.
Ipabalik ka rin natin. Yan. Medyo maluluto na siya. Ito hindi pa masyado.
Tara, ito na siya. Luto na. It's ready to eat. Pwede kayo maglagay ng sausawan, ketchup or toyo. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and of course,